going to make a shake today with this aloe. It's good for the hair, it's good for the skin, it's good for the body. It's going to go in our fruit shake smoothie today. We're going to have all sorts of goodies in there to show you. I'm cutting off these leaves. We're going to get fresh aloe in our shake. Let's take these to the kitchen. Come on. Granddaddy Mink's cooking time. We're not going to cook any of this. We're going to make a fruit smoothie. We're going to have an orange in here. We're going to have 1 mango in here. 1/4 cup honey. 3 cups of ice. That'll be done last. Ice goes in last. 1 banana. 2 aloe leaves there, freshly sliced. 2 cups of strawberries. 3 cups of milk of your choice. You want to put soy milk in there. You want to put chocolate milk in there. You want to put cow milk in there. You want to put organic milk in there. You want to put goat milk in there, donkey milk in there. You put your favorite milk in that desires you the most. 1/4 cup of Ensure for people who need a little extra boost in their health and their life. People that don't need to be gaining any weight or gaining any more oomph. Just going to use the protein for the people that don't need that. And then add this later to the ones who need it most, like my dad. He's an older person, so he gets this. It helps with your health. And 2 cups of the papaya, already cut up and ready to go. We got our papaya cut up, ready to go. I have some blueberries. Look through your blueberries. You don't want no rotten ones like that one. I'm going to rinse these berries in water. Get off any chemicals that may be on there. Even if they're organic, the plane could have sprayed that field as well by accident. Always spray your berries. Wash your berries. Berries are washed. Into the blender they go. Same thing with my strawberries. We're going to wash these berries off in water as well. Cut off any bad ends. No go. Put the banana. Orange. This is I believe blood orange. Make sure you try to cut away from yourself. A squeeze of the honey. This is going to be a fun part. We're going to give these a little wash. I like the bigger ones, but the little ones will work as well. We're going to take scissors and just cut off on the outside, like so. Basically, you're making a V, an upside down V. You can do that to this one. These are pointed and prickly. You don't want them around. You don't want to get stabbed by them either. A fillet knife. We're going to go right down the middle, like so. We don't want to cut through the skin. We want to flip it over. And get that fresh aloe without the skin. Same thing with the other one. Slice the inside. It's like the skin of a fish. The same process. If you clean your own fish, you do the same thing. A little on the slimy side. Oh, so the sliminess is still right here. So to help out with your hair, if you dye your hair and it goes through all those chemicals, if you feed this to your hair, it's a little slimy. And if you want your special man, if you have a man in your life, or if you know a man that's losing his hair, you actually rub it in your hair. Rub it all around. That's right. Take that extra aloe and rub it in your hair. It's going to get slimy. Keep it in there for 2 hours. That's going to put all sorts of good, healthy nutrients in your hair that feels so good. Oh, yeah. All right. It's okay if my hair is a little messed up and slimy. Let's blend this up soon. Wash your hands. All right, we're all cleaned up. It's powder time. I don't need to gain any more weight, so I'm just gonna do the protein. Milk. And the Ensure we'll add later. Let's blend this baby up. Let's add the ice. So we're gonna go with the Ensure. My dad needs that. He needs the Ensure. I don't need it. We're gonna blend that up and give it some more ice. Hey, Julie!
Hi.
What happens behind the refrigerator stays behind the refrigerator. All right, hey, I got a shake just for you. Would you like to try it?
Very good.
Hey, would you like one to go?
Sure. Thank you.
It makes her pretty, and her hair gets really pretty too, and I like that. Voila! It's shake time. Let's try this. Got stuck right to my lip. Banana, mango, hint of the strawberry, a hint of the blueberry. The orange, not so much. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's go give one to Grandpa soon. He needs one. So if you like fresh smoothie shakes made the granddaddy way, just follow me, share, like, subscribe, commit to a healthier lifestyle. I hope.